The ruling ZANU-PF party has dismissed 10 members from its Harare provincial structures over allegations of promoting factionalism. Sana mna mashoko amdanyu pana pano wakomana vezima chiti Mnangagwa first 10 Chiwenga Loyalists kuti bo subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. Tipina pana pa zima amdanyu chiti the ousted members included Provincial Political Commissar Kudakwashe Damson District Coordinating Committee DCC Chairman Gudu Gomwe and several Youth League officials. Wanabonja master abo include wana Deputy Secretary for Lands and Agriculture Esonurigwa. Wanaenda mbele wachiti ZANU-PF Harare Provincial Vice Chairman Ephraim Fundukwa issued a stern warning to party members against engaging in indiscipline, although he did not provide specifics on what constitutes unacceptable conduct. While the official charges cite factionalism, sources within the party suggest the expulsion are linked to a broader power struggle between President Emmerson Mnangagwa and VP Chiwenga. The dismissed cadres are alleged to have publicly criticized Chiwenga, further fueling the rift between the two leaders. Tension between Mnangagwa and Chiwenga have been simmering since the 2017 military coup that ousted RG Mugabe and paved the way for Mnangagwa's presidency. Do mashukaro mudanyongwa pana wakomunizim ai zvidukonokwa kunzi aiwa vakomana maloyalists a VP Chiwenga vanokikiwa out aiwa vobva vanzi aiwa vari kukonzeresa factionalism bato zvinoonekwa kuti ndizvo zvimwe chete zvakakonzeresa military coup muna 2017. Havasi kuda kuti history irepeat itself. Panapa vari kuya vachikika vese kunyange anga ine position yakanga iri respected, anga angachityiwa, but akangoonekwa kunzi mukomana uyu aiwa angakanganisa kutonga kwava Mnangagwa aiwa anobva kikwa out. Tudze mafunguro enyu muri kudima musoro wechitiko ichi kuna comment section medu. Tudze mafunguro enyu musaona subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.